Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I'll share with you delicious instant Paneer Biryani recipe. For making this recipe, turn on the heat, put a kadai, pour a tablespoon oil. After oil is hot, add a chopped capsicum, fry for a minute until it crunchy. Take it out in the same remaining oil. Add 15 to 20 cashew nut, fry until it golden color, then take it out. Now add a shredded onion, fry until the onion is golden brown color. It will take 3 to 4 minutes time. Add a tablespoon oil. After oil is hot, add half a teaspoon cumin seed, 7 to 8 black peppercorn and 3 to 4 cloves. Tear a bay leaf and add it. Saute for few seconds until it fragrant. Reduce the heat and add half-inch ginger strips and a small bowl pieces of shredded carrots. Fry for a minute over medium heat, then add 2 cups soaked rice. I have drained out the water. Stir for few seconds, then add a teaspoon salt as per your taste. Give a good mix and fry the rice for 2 minutes. Well combine. Now add a small size boiled potato and half teaspoon black pepper. Potato is optional, you can skip it. Add 4 cups of hot water. Stir well and then bring it to boil. Cook for a minute, then put a lid. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. In the meantime, prepare some paneer and capsicum. I took 100 grams paneer and a capsicum. Fry by adding salt and pepper. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Give a good mix. Whenever you will make this recipe in iron kadai, you can cook faster because it will not stick with the kadai. Now add the fried capsicum, fried onion and fried cashew nut. Mix well and cover for a minute, then open the lid. At last add our fried paneer and capsicum. It's a nutritious paneer biryani recipe rich with protein, vitamins, minerals and iron. Because whenever you will make any recipe in iron yolk or kadai, food will enriched with iron. Give a good mix, well combine the vegetables with rice. If required, you can add some salt. In this stage, serve this delicious paneer biryani with dal makhani. If you think my recipe is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.